Come test drive the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather upholstery, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.